Okay, so here I am. I don't know. I think it's the day 15 of me doing programming every day, and I'm solving the problem of the day of the geeks of weeks. This is the geeks of weeks problem, and this is a lead core problem of the day. Okay, so I think today is 13 13 November, November November 2024. Today's date, and let's solve. So for solving this, I should open my VS Code first. Okay. Okay. So I opened it. So let's first what so sorry what am I saying? Just read the problem. So let's solve the Leetcode problem. So it's saying that count the number of fair pairs. Okay, so we given a zero indexed integer, zero index. Okay, so we have one zero from integers, array zeros, size is n, and the two integers lower and higher. Turn the number of fair pairs. Okay, a pair I and j is a fair pair if 0 is I is 0, I is greater or is equal to 0, and j is greater than I and n is less than j, and lower is also number of I, number of j, and upper. So what is saying that, so we have to calculate all the pairs. You mean like 6 pairs of 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 3 0 4 and 0 5. So total pair 1 2 3 4 5 6 pairs. Okay, I understand the problem, but it's difficult. I think I have to use the slicing window. Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's copy this. Let's copy and just paste here. Okay, here I can work with this code. First of all, import the important libraries. The libraries are pit/std c++ using namespace std. Okay, and also the main where the program is going. This is a T for the test case, and also the C ignore ignore. Okay, this ignore for confusing the inputs, and also while loop for input while testing all the test cases. Integer n for the size of the nums of array, which is the vector. So there is no array if you are solving the Leetcode or GeoGebra problem. We have to consider it a vector. Okay, so for vector, firstly we input the size of the vector, then we create a vector of integer and nums name with the size of n, and yeah, I mean like you have to enter the values of that vector. So for that I plus plus and c ins of v of I, sorry, not nums of I, because yeah, nums of I, and after inputting also, sorry, first let's create the object of this class. So for that, class name and the object name, and here we call. Okay, so we get the all number of pairs. Return the number of pairs, which is the number means the integer value. So int result, what the fuck is this? I think it's a cat. Okay, so let's start with the coding. Okay, so s of dot count fear, and we have only, I think, nums, no, lower and higher also. So lower and higher. So I mean, don't know like what is the use of lower and higher. Okay, yeah, I mean like lower and higher. What is the use of this lower and higher? Upper. Okay, so it should be that number. Okay, so that plus of that I and j is equal, it is between the lower and higher. Okay, it is plus. Okay, I get it. So first example is like 3 and 4. So int lower is equal to 3 and higher is equal to 6. Yeah. And yes, and lastly we just print the result. Why am I writing this? Okay, no, firstly we have to like call at is a result. Okay, and then India. Yeah, I'm like yes. So let's test with the first. So let's just return the test. So let's suppose we return the -1 value, and let's check out it is working or not. Okay, so test case is maybe 1, and the size also 1. Why didn't he input the size? Like why? I think why it is not input the size. Input the size nums. Then it should be at least 1. Yeah, here is a mistake. Okay, so let's run again, and yeah, I mean like 1, size is 1, and then 22. Okay, so we don't, why it's not getting a result? I think it's written the value and long. Oh yes, so this also very long, I think long. So long. Now it should be written. Okay, so let's yeah, 1 22. Why it's not giving the result? Why it not printing the -1 value? Okay, let's suppose it is a 1. Let's suppose it's 1. So now its value 1, it's 1 22. Why it's not giving the result is 1? Because I store, like I give the return is 1. Why not? Why it's giving not error? Okay, let's copy this, and I think I open the Wi-Fi. Is it on Wi-Fi? Yeah, it's on. Okay, so I go to ChatGPT and write my code here. So what is wrong in this code? Sorry, and this. Oh shit! Why should I like aeroplane? Wait. Okay, so what's function error? Count fair is returning -1, which is not indicating the functional counting the fair values. I know that. I'm just testing the potential. I suggested correct over upper. Don't give me answer like I just write it for testing. Oh, I see. So see out. Oh yeah. Sorry, now I get it. Now I get it. You wait. Now I get it. I should, yeah. Here I should write the result. Okay. So now if I run this 122, yeah. Now it's great. So now what we are going to find out that we are collecting all the, like, first condition is that what is the first condition here? Yeah, it should be like 0 to is equal to I, or greater than, I think it's, yeah, j, and greater or is equal to, is it correct? No, small, so small, then 0. And also the next condition is lower is equal to, or nums of I is plus nums of j, and also higher is equal to. Okay, these two are conditions we are going to perform in this code. Okay, so how can we do it? Like, what is the catch here? Yeah, I think like I can do a two-pointer approach. First, let's sort the array. So first sort the nums of begin and nums of end. Sorry, nums of end. So now it's sorted. So let's suppose my array is 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so now I just create a integer I is equal to 0 and j is equal to num size minus 1, which is this, again this cat, nums of size. Okay, yeah, so it is here. So yeah, so should like semicolon here, yeah. So at 0 is here, size it will be like 5, so 5 minus is 4, this is a 4, yeah, correct. So I should like create, so first condition, it can be 0 but it is not is equal to n, so we are deleting this, because also here, yeah, it's check this, like, yeah, I mean, like, if I like to 1 2 3 4 5 6, oh yeah, I mean, like what 6, yeah, I mean, index can be the, yeah, index also, yeah, man, like index is not being like a greater than the size, because in the index is also smaller, always smaller, it is always smaller than index. So that's why let's calculate, like, while my I is less than j, I'm using the two-pointer approach here, don't make any judgment. So firstly I just took this sum, so my sum will be like 2 of months of I and plus also j. So if my sum is like what, higher and greater, lower than, yeah, I mean, like, I have to insert this condition, so I lower than, lower is equal to sum, I mean, like, and also firstly let's do like this in the bracket here first of all, and also and my higher is I can do like later. So sum is my higher is equal to higher. Yeah, sorry, higher, not higher, it's upper. Also here I should write it's not higher, it's upper. Yeah, okay. By the way, I use here first I select the world and click the Control D for twice to select the same word in this code or the below. It doesn't affect the upper, it's going to up next line. You get it, what I did here. Okay, you get it. Okay, so in this case I think I should count any number like answer will be like 0, and if answer is like answer is plus and my so in which condition I can do like okay, but if also else if my lower is correct but my higher is not, sorry, so if my lower is also correct but not my higher, okay, else if so if my lower is correct because it is sum is greater than the lower or is equal, then correct, but it is not upper, it is not upper, so that's why so I should like so it's less not is greater than, so I should lower than, so I should I minus j minus and else I minus I plus plus, sorry, I plus plus and what I think collects this. I think I had done like let's just check. Okay, so I should give like this first condition, which is 0 1 7 4 4 5 0 1 7 sorry, what is this size here? 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here is 6 elements and 0 1 7 0 1 7 4 4 5 4 4 5, so it's give me 6. No, it's 6, it is size is 6, like okay, what's happened? Something is not running. What the hell is? I think I should write my own code here. Okay, so first what I did, g++ p1.cpp o main and dash main 1 6 0 1 7 and 4 4 5. Why this code is not working? Like 3 4 5 6. Why it is not working? Like okay, let's exit and go to ChatGPT. What is wrong? Still wrong. Still, what the hell? My computer, like, let's check. No, my Wi-Fi is off. Okay, should I on it? And then okay, so what is wrong in this code? I see the issue in your code, like trying to solve the problem counting the pair I and j, and yeah, using the two-pointer approach. Let's go through the problem solution. So count plus doesn't return anything. Oh yeah, shit. I forgot. Why should I forgot? Like, yeah, it should, like, in the here it's written the count. No, sorry, it's written the answer. Okay, so now if I run this, why am I still forgetting these small mistakes? Like, I am in the third year in the engineering of computer science and still I make mistakes. Like, what the hell? Did I even trying to become a software engineer? I'm a lazy boy. Still not getting. Okay, what is the problem here? Next scene is called unnecessarily. Okay, so unnecessarily. So should I just, yes, should I just ignore it? Okay, now integer name corrected code. Yeah, it should. Okay, so yeah, I read the same, like, oh yeah, it should be long and long. What am I forgetting? It should be long and long because it's returning. And oh, sorry, I have the limited internet, so that's why. By the way, if you guys are cool, then you can subscribe and I think I get money after subscribing you, and I can have internet. Now I still can't afford it. Yeah, it's some else if I don't know else if. What the fuck is this? If my sum is less than the lower, then it should be like I plus plus, and my else is my j is sorry, where is the j? So here is the j, but what I did wrong, j minus, and yeah, like I return the 1 6 0 7. I think it's 7, right? No, it's so it's 1 7 4 4 5. You fucking cat, get out of here. Like, what the hell is 2 here going? Like, let's see, what's the problem? Let's see the ChatGPT what gave me. Yeah, it's giving me already size -1. I sorted j. Yeah, what's the problem here? Answer plus plus. Okay, let's. Where is my answer? So lower. Alright, correct, right? Lower is yeah, and some is yeah, correct. So what the hell is wrong with here? Should I ask you the ChatGPT? Okay, so let's ask with the ChatGPT what's wrong here. So let's open the chat here, and this is the code, and this is output. But the correct output should be 6. The issue is encoding the logic, specifying I and plus j. Okay, so problem is I and j in there, counting by 1. What the hell? All the valid pairs. What is this? Left count, right count. Is it on the upper? No. So let's okay. Okay, so let's insert. Okay, wait. I think it's in the first if. Okay, so right here, and plus is equal to left count, I think, and that's pretty much it. Let's check out again. I have to like solve again because I don't know what I'm doing here. I just, what the hell? Yeah, first then 6, then 0 1 7 4 4 and 5 7. Why it's giving me 7? The answer should, like, what the hell? Okay, so I will come back to you, and if you're watching this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you don't subscribe it, that's okay also, but you have to comment it. I want the response, I want the feedback, I want your thoughts to, like, what I'm doing with my life, like, is it correct to solve the problems, or it is like a time waits I'm doing. So please comment it, what I am doing, how I'm doing it. Is it a well, is it bad? Just hear me your thoughts. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.